Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Digimon Rabbit token. Now the Digimon Rabbit token is trending #1 in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. Right now they're up 448.17%, doing amazing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Digimon Rabbit token. Ticker symbol is DRB. This token, it's up 450% right now. Their website is digimonrabbit.com. They also have NFTs involved in this ecosystem, and you can find those at nft.digimonrabbit.com. Their full white paper is available on CoinMarketCap, along with their BSC scan, Twitter, Telegram, price chart, contract address. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Digimon Rabbit token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, on their BSC scan. You can find it on their webpage, their white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And besides that, their BSC scan says that right now they have 1,769 holders, 11,993 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a total supply here, that's 420 quadrillion tokens, so a lot of tokens. Now, it says their white paper isn't too extensive. It's only 10 pages long, so you can read it in one sitting. digimonrabbit.com/whitepaper.pdf is where you can find it. It says the first digital meme coin officially and uniquely authorized by the digital baby, whatever that means. And it's got some really cool, animated artwork on their papers and their webpage and stuff like that, which is most likely, some of their NFTs look like these similar pictures on here. It says unique digital monster theme, next generation Web3 Digimon world, rich Digimon series NFTs, Digimon NFT exchange, and Digimon Rabbit financial tools, both launched simultaneously. So it says DRB NFT Exchange has launched and DRB Staking Pool has also launched. So it says they have the DRB Token Ecology. It's under construction and has I think this is translated. The way it reads is a little bit off here. But anyways, it said the intro here, it says, a fully formed Digimon in the form of a rabbit, one of the 12 sacred beasts that appear in Oriental folklore. He can freely manipulate the chi that flows through his body, sometimes moving with flowing flexibility, and at other times delivering blows as heavy as iron, responding to both the soft and the hard. Her signature move is the Meditation Cure, which instantly heals any damage. His special move is the Mantra Chant, which releases all the energy from his body, hardening his body tissues to the level of chrononized alloy and delivering a powerful blow. Digimon Rabbit is a fictional creature that appears in the cross-platform product Digital Tyrannosaurus series developed by Bandai Co. The theatrical version of the anime Super Evolution, Digital Armor of Gold, is the complete form of the digital beast that is the partner of Warus, and the digital beast that is the partner of Lee in the TV version of the anime Digital Beast Tamer. So that's where this project comes from. And yeah, so there's the anime, it says, there's video games, there's pet toys, films, and trading card games. The franchise focuses on the creatures who inhabit the digital world, a parallel universe that originated from Earth's various communication networks. There is an original basic setting for each individual digital beast, although the intention to change this situation on the occasion of the debut of the anime. In addition to the main characters in the anime, there is also a new design of digital beasts. Sometimes because of the change, there is a large difference with the original basic setting. So you can definitely tell that this is translated the way it reads. So it says, start your creation. Fan creation and spontaneous creation are important sources of DRB's token works matrix. Therefore, the DRB Token Foundation strongly encourages, supports spontaneous creation and secondary creations. The DRB Token Foundation has proposed the following incentives. Authors fully enjoy the copyright and related income of the works. The DRB Token Foundation and the community provide creative publishing platforms and supporting infrastructure, and DRB Token helps promote and motivate. The seminar serves all DRB fans. Fans can contribute, leave messages, and express their opinions. The creation panel provides an open source and open shared digital creation platform. Anyone can recreate and publish works in the digital baby, and they will be paid by communities, foundations, and businesses. So they have these seminars, it says here, where you can get involved in the seminars. Tokenomics, there is a 6% tax if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap. 2% goes to buybacks, 2% goes to marketing, and 2% will be dividends. So you do get reflections in this token here. It says there's going to be staking, stake to earn. So the token's basically split up between pre-sale, liquidity, marketing, and stake to earn. And that's the allocation. And yeah, so they have the NFT exchange, they have the meta kit, the meta game, and the staking pool. So those are all the utilities. Their roadmap is pretty simple here. It just says pre-sale, KYC and audit, massive marketing launch, banner ads and promotion, more holders. They're going to have their NFT decentralized exchange, token staking. They're going to have their game, more marketing, more holders. Next generation of NFTs. Then they're going to have a gamepad, Digimon Meta Chain, and then Digimon Lab, and then cooperation with video game industries, and that's basically it. So check this all out, DigimonRabbit.com. They're trending #1 right now on CoinMarketCap, around 450% in the green. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.